Hello everybody. Today I have some very exciting news for you. As you can see, this is the Pimax crystal and there is no cable because I'm running the latest Pimax Play version with the latest firmware, and yes, right now the standalone mode is working. And there is one funny thing, because I kind of broke my crystal controllers, and Pimax is sending me new ones, so right now I don't have the crystal controllers here in my office or in my flat. And the good thing is, the setup with the standalone mode, you don't need controllers at all. So I will show you this later. I'll try to make some through the lenses video. Honestly, it is not easy. It's the first time I tried the through the lens video, and yeah, how to achieve the all-in-one mode. There is a little switch. You can switch from PCVR mode to standalone mode, and then yeah, pretty much the crystal is a standalone device. And the setup is very easy, and it worked out right off the box, because basically you just switch on the crystal, you download the VR device from Pimax, and then you can connect your smartphone with the crystal, and you don't need to log in or try to put in a password or something with the controller. So it's pretty easy. It's the same with the MetaQuest or the Pico Neo or whatsoever, but yeah, it worked instantly, so there was no connection errors or something, and we're talking about a beta status. So yeah, long story short, I will show you some through the lens videos, and also the installation process and the pass-through mode. I think it's not the best out there, but there is one really good thing. It is black and white, unfortunately, but the world scale. So that is the thing. When you're trying to grab something, it is basically the scale is similar without watching through the pass-through mode. So this is pretty cool. But as I said, I will show you this right now in the video. Yeah. And as you can see, this is the latest Pimax Play update. Thanks to Pimax for giving me the latest beta updates. This is the current firmware. It is enabling the all-in-one mode. And you can see the welcome screen. And like I said, I don't have controllers. You can easily manage everything by looking at the text. Then you have to enter the bearing code on the app, and that's pretty much it. The device is paired. And then you have to start the Pimax app. And after starting the Pimax app, you can connect to your Wi-Fi, and after that there's the first notice how to adjust the crystal and also the IPD adjustment. So it's pretty good explained. Yeah, basic stuff, the privacy policy. And after setting the user account in the app, the system will recognize it, and you don't have to put in your password and everything. And yeah, this is basically the same with Pico. You can just make the quick mode or the custom mode. In my case, I use the quick mode because I don't have the controllers right now. But I'm really blown away that this is working without controllers. So And this was the proximity sensor, so now the picture is back up. And yeah, basically like all the standalone devices, you got the own store. I recommend to use the Pimax app for this. Unfortunately, because I don't have controllers, I can't use the standalone mode right now. But I think you get an idea how the standalone mode works right now. And yeah, like I told you about the path-through, it's black and white. Also proximity sensor here. But it's recognizing the play space, and as soon as you walk out of the space, the crystal will recognize it. And yes, you can see you can see me walking through the apartment. It is pretty, yeah, it is absolutely fine. It's not a common use case, but yeah, I think it's pretty much great for getting yourself something to drink, and yeah, you get the deal about the path through. So I'm really happy with the standalone mode in this time, and I hope I will get my controllers soon. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Hope you liked the video and the short introduction of the standalone mode, and thanks again to Pimax for letting me be part of the testing group. And yeah, I see you next time. So have a good day and goodbye.